welcome to Budget Friendly Cooking. Today I'm going to show how to make my version of mushroom soup. This is a very unusual mushroom soup. I don't think you've ever heard or tasted, but it's really delicious. So for that I have some cremini mushrooms. So you can use white mushrooms. I think both will be good. I have not tried with the other different mushrooms, but these are the cheapest one in the market and they both work. So what I do with this, I don't want to wash them. You never want to wash your mushrooms. You just need to wipe the dirt off your mushrooms because they absorb the moisture, the water, like sponge, and then it's going to be very watery. So mushrooms contain a lot of water themselves, so you don't want to add more water. Well, some of them are pretty clean usually, but I still like to take the dirt and dust, whatever's there, and then you see the paper towel, and when it gets dirty, so I like to just kind of fold and use the cleaner side. So it's always good to trim the bottom part and then place your mushroom on your cutting board. This way it will be easier to chop them. Okay, good. Same with all of them. Cut that, and this way it won't slide all over. Okay, I'm just gonna go through and chop finely because I want just small fine chop of these mushrooms. All right, let's start our pot. Preheat, and we're gonna need a little bit of butter for that because mushrooms and butter are a really good combination. I'm gonna add just 1 tablespoon for that. And I had half a pound of mushrooms here. You can, if you're using like a pound, then you might need to add more butter. Okay, I'm just gonna let it melt. Right, butter's melted. I'll toss all the shrooms in here. Okay, and you can increase the temperature to medium-high because mushrooms start to sweat, and I want like little caramelization, not just sweating. So while my mushrooms are cooking, I'm gonna dice my onions really fine because I want very, very small pieces of onions in this soup. And another ingredient there is walnuts, ground up walnuts. I have like half a cup of walnuts that I'm gonna grind and add just bay leaf when I'm just cooking the soup, and then a little bit of cilantro, and that's it. Look how much moisture it has, our mushrooms. I want this moisture to evaporate and caramelize my mushrooms a little bit, and then I'm gonna add actually, you know what, I'm just gonna add my chopped onions right now. Should be good. Let's add our bay leaf and black pepper because we need some flavor in our soup. I mean, mushrooms and onions are a great combination together. Gives a lot of flavor, but I want to add peppers, and bay leaves are also very good in the soup. All right, that's it. Put this on and cook for another 5 minutes on medium-low now. Okay. All right, let's ground up our walnuts. There's not a lot, just half a cup. And I'm gonna add my spice mix, which is salt and some Georgian spices. But you don't have to do that, so it will be still delicious. If you have ground up coriander, just add that, and pretty much that's it. Next, I'm gonna add that 1 cup water because I want thin consistency of this. Okay, that's it. How about hot pepper? We need some hot pepper. A little bit of hot pepper because we need this little kick. I'm just gonna break it into that. Okay, and 1 more time. All right, perfect. Oh, that smells so good already. Onions and shrooms together, baby. Okay, a few more minutes because I want onions to soften up and disappear. Mushrooms can hold their shape, so they won't disappear no matter how long I cook, but I want onions to be really nice and soft. I don't want to feel the texture of the onions. All right, let's see that. That looks quite nice. So this should be enough for 2 people. Let's pour our sauce, walnut sauce. Okay, that's perfect. And I'm gonna add just a little more water, half a cup. And turn the heat up. And chop our cilantro. And we are pretty much done. All right, dump the cilantro. You can add any other herbs. You can add dill. I think dill will be good too. And we turn the heat off and it is done. We're gonna taste it now and let you know how it is. The perfect consistency, I love it. Hope you remember all the ingredients that I put. If not, I will post the recipe on my website. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's taste it. I hope it's not too spicy. I think it is. Lila's gonna kill me. So good. It's spicy. Don't put that much pepper. You should control that. I mean, if you like spicy, yeah, of course, go ahead. But it is a perfect fall soup. It's easy. Everybody has mushrooms, onions, a couple of walnuts. You can probably add hazelnuts or almonds and any herbs that you have. If you have dried herbs, just use dried herbs and that will be perfect. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week.